Avengers assemble. What if Avengers are real? We're gonna answer your question just right now. We're gonna discover the undiscovered and know the unknown. Alright, so the first thing that you will see is some kind of enemy. But before that, let's dive into the Marvel's world. And if you don't know what is Marvel or Avengers, Avengers is kind of series that made by Marvel, and they're kind of superhero things, and it's very fun to watch. Alright, the first thing that you will feel is some kind of the enemies that they are around you, and when you see them you say, oh my god, what the hell is this? And it is very some kind of strange thing that will happen to you, and you say, oh my god, aliens are real. If you don't want to answer and know the answer of this question, you can check out the video below. Alright, so the first thing was the enemies that they could be, and they're kind of strange. The next thing is the damage caused from the war thing, and it is very bad thing because, for example, you parked your car in the street, and some kind of suddenly you see, oh my god, my car is on fire. That's the next thing, and your home is gonna go on fire, and it's pretty dangerous. So the next thing is, the third thing is, you can see and you can have a hero by itself in your city called New York, and you can even have an extra building called Avengers, yeah, some kind of this, yeah, okay, some kind of, building like that. Yeah, that's all. And by the way, if you want to join Avengers, I can make you join. I have a friend of mine, Iron Man is a friend of mine. Alright, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and that's all. Have a good day. Be blessed. Bye. Don't forget to be assembled, Avengers.